Not every upgrade gives you the speed you expect. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 upgrades that actually transform your PC and which ones waste your money. I'm from JDC Computers in Belgium. We build, upgrade, and repair PCs, whether it's for gaming, work, or daily use. Still running on a hard drive? Swap to an SSD, preferably NVMe. Boot times drop from a minute to seconds, apps open instantly, and everything feels snappier. It's the single most noticeable upgrade for any older PC. If your PC freezes when too many tabs are open, you're low on RAM. Going from 8 GB to 16 GB is a huge quality of life upgrade for most users. For gamers or creators, 32 GB ensures smooth multitasking. Always use dual channel, 2 sticks, not one. For gaming, rendering, or AI workloads, the GPU upgrade is king. The jump from integrated graphics to even a mid-range card is night and day. But balance is key. Don't pair a monster GPU with a weak CPU. At JDC, we match GPUs to workloads and budgets so you don't overspend. Cooling isn't just for overclockers. A quality air or liquid cooler lowers temps, reduces noise, and keeps your CPU boosting higher for longer. Add case airflow and your whole system runs better. This upgrade extends part lifespan too. Most pre-builts cut corners on the PSU. A quality power supply means stability, efficiency, and headroom for future upgrades. It also protects against surges. If you're planning a GPU upgrade, don't skip this. Want a faster feeling PC without touching the tower? Upgrade your monitor. A jump from 60Hz to 144Hz makes gaming silky smooth, and higher resolution helps productivity. So, in order, SSD, RAM, GPU, cooling, PSU, and a monitor if you want an instant visual upgrade. These 5 upgrades give the biggest bang for your buck. Not sure which upgrade your PC needs first? Drop your specs in the comments and we'll help you choose. Or, if you're in Belgium, visit JDC Computers. We'll design the right upgrade plan for you. Subscribe for honest upgrade advice, no hype, just the upgrades that give you real speed.